Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Install Chachi Ppt and open a blank deck, then enable the AI assistant and microphone so features work. Once done, choose the 16:9 page ratio or enter custom dimensions. This shapes layouts automatically. Make sure to pick fonts and a color palette before importing content. Then import a rough outline or drag text files into the slide panel. Doing these first steps primes templates and AI suggestions so automated slides generate accurately, saving you redesign time later. Now you build the middle of the deck using Chachi PPT's AI draft and layout controls. Tell the assistant your slide count and tone, then review the 5-10 draft slides it produces, accept good ones, and edit placeholders where images or charts need different crops. Once you adjust text hierarchy and bullet nesting, apply global styles so fonts and colors are consistent across slides. To speed up revisions, use batch replace for icons and images. This keeps visual rhythm and prevents inconsistent spacing as you iterate. Finish by exporting and verifying the deck. Choose PPTX or PDF and confirm embedded fonts plus linked images are intact. Then run a slide review. Test speaker notes, rehearsal timings, and transitions so delivery is smooth. If you spot content or formatting errors, first reapply the chosen template. This often fixes spacing. If problems persist, rerun AI draft on selected slides only or restore the last working version from history. One troubleshooting tip: clear the assistant cache before rerunning draft to avoid repeated misformatting.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.